back to my channel, you guys. So I am on a roll today. I think this is my third video. I am on a roll, so it's just like for me. Okay, it's been a while since I filmed, but today I'm sitting down and I am filming back to back. Anyway, today's video is gonna be another AliExpress haul. The last one I did, you guys, damn. Okay. Yeah, they're just people I just posted on Instagram. So the last AliExpress haul that I did, you guys like really enjoyed that video. So I'm back with another one because I have an AliExpress problem. The last video, I'm gonna tag that down below, just go watch that. I tested out some well, I tried ordering clothing pieces from AliExpress, and I've never done that before because I was so scared, but I had really great luck last time, so I tried to do it again this time and I had more great luck, you know. So I got some clothing pieces, I got some accessories as well because I can't help myself, and also got makeup. I think I just got one makeup item though. But anyway, let's get started. So the first item I purchased was this phone case right here. Let me just bring this in, you guys can see. This case is beautiful, like it's beautiful. Now you guys have seen me with these kind of box cases multiple times because it's the only cases I purchase. If you really know me, like, you know these are the only cases I purchase. My sister tells me I am repurchasing the same case over and over, but no, I'm not, because they have different designs. I don't care, they just beautiful. Anyway, yeah, I do have a lot of these though, cases like this. Even when I switch phones, I just purchased these kinds of cases for my new phone. But yeah, really beautiful. Kinda has that little Gucci inspired beetle thing on there, so this is beautiful. I believe this was like $3 or $4, you guys. I will link all of this down below. This was $4.67, so almost $5. Still cheap. It's still a steal. Like, you don't get any better than this. Plus, these cases, I keep purchasing them because they're actually very good quality. I don't know how many times a day I drop my phone. This phone never cracks, like, ever. And I shouldn't even say that because every time I say something, it ends up happening. So I take that back. But it really doesn't break. And I also don't even have a screen protector on my phone, and I know I'm not supposed to do that, but this phone really has been, it's always been protected because I only keep these kind of cases on. But yeah, this case, $4.67. I also purchased another case from AliExpress. I'm gonna show you guys. This is the next case that I purchased from AliExpress. It's kind of like a jelly material. Looks beautiful. It also comes with this, I don't know what these are called. They well, they sent it, but it wasn't like together, by the way. So they sent this separate, and then this was in the bag with it. So I just, you know, so the phone case doesn't really come like this. I know some people, when you see it on the website, it looks like it's already glued on there, but you do have the option to put it on there or use this on another phone. So just, you know, if you really like just this part and you just want to put it on another phone, yeah, it does come separate. That's actually one thing I really liked about it, because I was wondering if I wanted to put this. I thought it came with the case itself, but it didn't. So it's actually a good idea for it to come separate. And yeah, I got these two cases, and I believe that case was, I don't even know how much that case was. That case was $3.72. So another steal. So let's get into makeup. I bought one eyeshadow palette from AliExpress. If you saw my other haul, I bought multiple eyeshadow palettes, and then I seen this eyeshadow palette and it was beautiful, so I got it. So this is the palette right here. This upside down. This is the palette right here, and this is just the cover. It has the same covering on the inside. Anyway, this is the palette, and it's called Huda Moji. I wonder where they got this from, but it's actually that name is actually it has that R on it. So what's that mean again? That trademark, but it's, why am I forgetting that word? Anyway, imagine being a business major and forgetting that word. Anyway, that cute emoji is cute. And this is how the inside looks. I'm gonna remove. So you can see like one of the shades kind of got messed up in shipping, but it's still kind of in place. This is how it looks. This is the shade that got a little messed up. But it's okay because it did not come out of the, did I just, oh yeah, this one. It did not come out of its square thing, so it's okay. But this is how the palette looks. Really, really beautiful. Shimmers, mattes. I didn't really test it out yet, but I'm gonna test it out in a video, so stay tuned for that. I keep saying that. I actually haven't even filmed a review for all my other palettes that I purchased, and it's because I've had a rough month. I just haven't been in the feeling to film, and I'll get into it. That's the palette I got. That's the only makeup item I got this time. So more, this video is more clothing pieces, but if you really want to see more makeup, that you want to purchase more makeup from like AliExpress, check out my last AliExpress haul. I will link it down below. I got a lot of makeup in that video. So I'm just gonna pick up all the clothes I got and just keep them on my lap because I'm having like, I can't keep going down. Anyway, so the next few clothing pieces, I'm just gonna link them down below and you guys can check the prices yourself. They're not really what you call that, they're not expensive, so I don't want to keep saying the prices. I feel like it's just gonna make the video longer for no reason, and my phone is on the floor now, so I'm not gonna keep picking up my phone either. That's why, that's really the real reason. Anyway, this is the bag that I got from AliExpress. It's beautiful. I wanted to purchase it last time. Every time I get on AliExpress, I want to purchase this bag, but I keep thinking about it. I'm like I was so scared. I don't know why. Maybe because it resembles like Gucci bag, and like I always get scared to like hold stuff like that because I feel like, oh, someone's gonna say like it's fake, but it's not a fake. It's a bag that resembles Gucci, because if it, you know, if it's a fake bag, it would say Gucci on it, and it would, it's like a dupe. That's the right word. It's a dupe for the Gucci bag. It looks cute though, so I don't care, and it's very, very adorable. This is the bag right here, and let me just, I love doing this, I don't know, I just love doing that. Anyway, this is the bag, and I'm gonna show you guys the inside. So inside looks beautiful. Like it has, yeah, it has pockets, and then it has another zipper on the inside, so it is kind of roomy in there, and then it just clicks. I love this whole beetle design, this part. Everything about this bag is beautiful. Now I could tell you guys, it's made perfectly. I didn't expect it to come out looking such good quality. Is that correct English? But yeah, it looks really, really nice. This bag right here, because I really been eyeballing that bag for the longest, and I'm so glad I finally decided to purchase it. And AliExpress is a hit or miss, but lately I've just been having hits after hit after hit after hit. Like, anyway, I'm so glad it's like that though. So the first clothing piece I'm gonna show you guys are these pants right here. I'm actually gonna try all of these on for you guys. They're gonna be in a clip. I'm gonna enter the clip somewhere in the video. But dang, did I mess up these pants already? Okay, so the first pants I got are these right here. I want to see if I can zoom. That's actually as far back as you can go. Anyway, they're these black pants. I'm going to show a picture of how they look on AliExpress because you can't really see what I'm talking about here. And then I'm going to show you guys how it looks on me. So it's these like glittery, shimmery pants. The bottom is wide-legged, so Yeah, it's like those high waist pants that's like wide legged at the bottom, the ones that make, you know, your cheeks look real nice. Yeah, those. And it looks like, you can see like it has that little glitter thing, but the feeling, I really wish it was softer. It's kind of like, it's not itchy glitter, but when you're touching it, it kind of feels itchy. But the inside, I like that the inside is not the same as the outside, because otherwise you would not be able to wear it. But the inside is real smooth, so it's comfortable. I've worn these 2 times already, and they're very, very comfortable. They look just like the picture on, so I really, really love these pants. And I'm gonna keep wearing them. Like, they're very, very nice, and they fit. And by the way, everything I got is a small. I wear a small, so I don't even try to like do any sizing. I just pick small. I don't have time to keep thinking about different sizes. The next shirt I got is this shirt right here. Oh my god, it's a bodysuit, and something about the plugs, what is it, the buttons of this bodysuit irks me. Like, I just wish you guys, oh my god, y'all see that? The way it's, I don't know, I don't like these buttons. I don't know why. But they click okay, they work, so I guess that's all that matters. But I don't know, something about the way they look is irking me. Long sleeve, and it's bodysuit, and it says babe, period boo, period poo. The thing is, I got this in a small. This small is an extra small. So, I mean, it feels tight, but I can live. But I rather it just be a little bit bigger. It's kind of stretchy, which is probably why I'm able to wear it and be okay. But it's kind of small. This small is definitely a US extra small. Like, I've worn an extra small before because I used to be extra small. Just get a medium if you're a small. That is like, just get a medium if you're a small. And if you're extra small, get a small. Fits perfect. Next item I got is this shirt, and hold on, I gotta fix this. Okay, so this is how the shirt looks. I'm gonna show you guys a picture of it because it looked different, a little different on the model or wherever picture they stole it from, because Aliexpress never has their own pictures, to tell you the truth. Yeah, so this is how the shirt looks. I like it. I've actually tried it on and it looks really, really nice. It does fit the way it fits on the model, by the way. It does. I don't know, maybe the quality or the way the picture showed it, I don't know. Oh, and when it comes, like, this part is not put in. I had to put it in myself, just so you're aware of that. It doesn't come just like this. You're gonna have to adjust it yourself and put it on just like that. But the shirt is very, very nice. It's very nice. Thing is, though, I'm not gonna try this on camera because I'm just not gonna try it on camera. Yeah, I'm not gonna try it on camera for multiple reasons. But it does fit exactly how it fits on the picture. So just so you guys know that. The next item I got is a dress. Reminds me of the dress I got in my last video. Yeah, it literally is kind of the same, but just different design. This is how it looks. It's kind of long, but it's just a midi dress, stops right after my knees, and the collar kind of goes up to right here. You'll see it in the try on, because I tried this dress on. It's fine, and the quality is pretty good. Pretty good. I'm so like happy with the quality of the dresses that's been coming lately from Aliexpress. Like, really nice, really nice. And this, of course, is a small, and I love the design on this. I really love it. It's such a simple dress, but it's beautiful. Like, and I just love the neck area along with the arms. As something about that, this and then the short arms just gives me a look. I don't know, it just gives me a look. So I think this is the last item. That was a fast haul. I felt like that was a lot of items, but it really wasn't, because I'm almost done. So the last item I got was a 2-piece, and now this one has to be my favorite. Out of everything I purchased, it has to be my favorite. So this is a 2-piece. Looks pink, but it's like purple magenta. It's like a magenta purple. Yeah, so these long pants, they actually fit. I'm not tall at all. I'm 5'2.5", so this is a small and fits perfect. Literally perfect. It does has pockets. It does have I'm not speaking correct English. It does have pockets. It has pockets. Now the last thing I purchased is not here yet. It was just a box of lashes, like individual lashes. I've been trying to put on lashes myself lately. These are not that, but I'm gonna show you guys what I'm talking about. I purchased these from the beauty supply store. I also purchased them from Aliexpress. The one from Aliexpress is not here yet, so, but you know, it's basically this, just from Aliexpress and another brand. And that's pretty much it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm trying to make sure I didn't forget anything, but yeah, I didn't forget anything. That's pretty much it for this haul. If you guys want to see more Aliexpress hauls, definitely let me know. I really do enjoy these, like I really do. You find so much pretty stuff that you can't really find anywhere else. Like, you can't. Don't forget to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and follow me on all my social media.